Hey Luna, what is this shiny thing in your hand? And why is this moving around?
Oh, Jerry, this is a mouse.
It is like a real mouse.
No, there is a difference between a real mouse and this mouse. A computer mouse is a tool that you can use to move your cursor on the computer screen. It has buttons that you can click and a scroll wheel that you can use to move up and down. When you move the mouse, the cursor on the screen will move too. A real mouse is a small animal that you might see in your home, in the park, or in the countryside. Real mice have soft fur and long thin tails. They are usually brown and grey and can run very fast. They like to eat cheese and small foods.
Oh, this is very interesting.
How does it work?
With the mouse, we can click on icons, play games, and even draw pictures on the computer.
What's that cloth placed underneath?
Jerry, that's not just a cloth. It's a mouse pad. It is a flat pad on which the mouse is placed to make smooth movement of the mouse pointer.
I can see a little arrow on the screen using the mouse. What is this?
That's called a cursor. It's a small arrow that moves on the monitor. When you move the mouse, the arrow moves in the same direction.
In what ways can we use the mouse?
The mouse can be used for point and click, moving the cursor and selecting items on the screen, drag and drop, moving things to a new location, scroll, going up and down on pages.
What are these buttons on top of the mouse and what are they used for?
Oh, that is the scrolling button. They help us to move the page up and down. And you see those two buttons on the top? One is on the left side and the other on the right. To use a mouse, you just put your hand on it to move the cursor around. Use your fingers to click, hold, and drag things on the computer screen. Do you know, Jerry? There are many types of mouse.
No. Can you tell me about them?
Sure. There are wired mouse, wireless mouse, optical mouse, touchpads, and trackball mouse. See, Jerry, with the mouse, we can create anything we want on the computer.
Thanks for teaching me about the mouse, Luna. This is awesome.